On the inaugural Special Olympics Caribbean Beach Games, scheduled for November 18 to 22, was launched on Tuesday at the S Hotel in Montego Bay and received an overwhelming support from the Montego Bay community. The Caribbean Beach Games, the first of its kind, will be held at the Harmony Beach Park and will welcome delegations from across the region as the organizers are targeting participation from more than 20 territories. The event will see athletes competing in beach sports while promoting inclusion, acceptance, and the ability of persons with intellectual disabilities. Special Olympics official Glendon West says Harmony Beach Park is the perfect location to host such an event.
On the ground, we have all the facilities that we're going to need: the volleyball, the football area. We have the beach, as you know, which is in close proximity to everything that we'll be having. And one of the good things is that the spectators who are going to be there will not have to move very far to be able to observe all the activities that will take place on these days.
Now, in addition to the sporting events, there will be a law enforcement torch run activities and several community engagement initiatives with the aim of raising $5 million.
So all of our partners will be coming out, and we really want to make sure that at intervals, sir, we will tell you where we are so we know how much more we need to push. But we really need to get this kind of support. They need to pay for hotel accommodation, transportation, over 2,000 athletes that we have to host. It takes money. And we know that we get those contributions along the way, but the law enforcement community, we want to play our part.
Right, then some cricket news now. The Jamaica Kingsmen started their Caribbean Premier League campaign on a losing note after going down to the Antigua and Barbuda Falcons by 2 wickets in a last-ball thriller at the Honours Vale Cricket Ground in St. Vincent on Friday night. Christopher Scott tells us more.